New device.
Yeah, boy.
Moment of. What did oh? So hoch. Oh, okay. The phone. Yeah. So here's the side profile. Back profile. Yeah, so big. Side profile also it looks like an iPhone 15 titanium cover. And then some I don't know what the fuck is this. What?